Over the next year, we're going to see a new type of phone hit the market called a tri-folding phone or a trifold phone. And it is exactly as it sounds. Whereas most folding phones split into two, they fold into two different parts, there's two screens. These new trifold phones will have three separate screens. So I've got a few news articles here from GSM Arena that demonstrate what these new phones are all about. This is a picture that was taken on the fly of someone from Huawei, and you can see that this has three different parts, three screens, three displays. And Huawei are going to announce their trifold phone in just a couple of days, so you have to stay tuned for that. Oppo have also showcased a concept for their trifold phone as well, and Xiaomi, as you would expect, they're also working on one as well. I think the one that's really demonstrated what these phones are all about is from a company called Tecno. Now, I'll leave a link to the video because this video really showcases what these trifold phones are all about, what they can do. Please have a look at it. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. But if you look at some of these images here, it gives you an idea of what's going on. You can see here that two parts of the fold are being used as a display and the bottom part is being used as a keyboard. And there's some other images here as well. Kind of looks like a Samsung Fold phone here. And when you open it up, it's going to be a very big tablet. And you can see other ways that it's kind of like a tent mode there as well that the phone is being used in. So it's quite interesting. And it's going to be interesting to see what these phones look like when they are released, and they are going to be released very soon, certainly in the Chinese market. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, guys. My initial thoughts on this is that the geek in me, the mobile phone geek in me, loves this. I think this is an amazing concept. I think it's super cool and I want one. I really do want one. But on the other side of the coin, we have seen folding phones over the last few years, and I'd say generally speaking, the flip phones are being sold at an okay price, but the folding phones, they're still very expensive and they still have a lot of problems with the folding mechanism. So we haven't really fixed the problems that normal folding phones have. But we're now moving on to tri-folding phones. But maybe that means that we're going to see more folding phones in the market. It's going to be mainstream and some of these problems are going to be resolved. I'll leave a link to these articles. I'll leave a link to that video. Have a look at them. Let me know what you think, guys. Leave a comment below. And until next time, take care.